Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Cadillac Escalade key fob. This straightforward manual method allows you to add new remotes or reprogram existing ones without special tools. It's a common procedure for many Escalade models, ensuring you can get your key fob working quickly. Make sure you have all key fobs you wish to program ready, as you will need to program them all at once. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, insert your ignition key and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the vehicle information button, usually on your dashboard or steering wheel. Press this button repeatedly until you see the message "Press to relearn remote key" displayed. Once you see this, press the Set or Reset button, often marked with a check mark, until the display shows Remote Key Learning active. Your vehicle is now ready to accept new key fob signals. Now take your first key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the remote. Keep holding these buttons for approximately 15 seconds. You will hear an acoustic signal, like a chime, indicating that the remote has been successfully programmed. If you have more key fobs, including any that previously worked, you must repeat this exact step for each one. Your vehicle can typically store up to 8 remotes. Once all your key fobs have been programmed, it's time to exit the learning mode. Simply turn your ignition key to the off position and then remove it. This action will finalize the programming process. Now, take a moment to test each of your newly programmed key fobs. Verify that the lock, unlock, and any other functions work as expected. Congratulations, you have successfully programmed your Cadillac Escalade key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.